Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about face skin tightening home remedies. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to join our family. Fine lines, wrinkles and sagging skin are some of the signs of aging. As you grow old, the skin loses its elasticity and this results in sagging. Dehydration, smoking, pregnancy, excessive consumption of alcohol, weight loss and wrong skin products can also lead to skin sagging. Although you cannot reverse the process of sagging, you can definitely delay it or reduce the sagging. Here are some natural remedies to tighten the sagging skin at home. Number 5. Rosemary oil and cucumber. Rosemary oil helps in toning your skin and improves blood circulation. Rich in antioxidants, rosemary oil delays the skin aging and improves its elasticity. You will need 1 tablespoon of rosemary oil and half a cucumber. Method. Take the cucumber and peel it. Now, grind it to smooth paste. Add in the rosemary oil and apply it on your face and neck. Leave it for about 20 minutes and then use lukewarm water to rinse it off. Do this once a week. These home remedies are easy and effective. So, get rid of the sagging skin with these natural remedies. Number 4. Ground coffee and coconut oil. Coffee face pack. Coffee contains caffeine, which makes your skin soft and firm by eliminating fat and moisturizing the skin. The ground coffee will gently exfoliate your skin, and the antioxidants in it will delay the aging process. You will need 1/4 cup of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Method. Mix the coffee, coconut oil, cinnamon and brown sugar. Use this mixture to gently scrub your face and neck. Scrub for about 5 minutes and then use lukewarm water to rinse it off. Do this once a week. Number 3. Oil massage. Oil massages will not only tighten your skin but will also make it smoother and clearer. You can use olive oil for massaging as it contains vitamin E and A. It also has anti-aging benefits. You will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Method. Take the olive oil in a small container and warm it up. Use the warm oil to massage your face and neck. Massage for about 10 minutes. Take a clean cloth, dip it in lukewarm water and use it to wipe your face. You can also use coconut oil, almond oil or jojoba oil for massaging. Number 2. Egg white and honey. Egg white. Rich in albumin protein, egg white is a great remedy for sagging skin. It improves the skin texture by rebuilding the cells of the skin and makes your skin healthy. You will need egg white and 2 tablespoons of honey. Method. Mix the egg white and the honey well. Apply this mixture on your face and neck. Leave it for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Do this thrice a month. Number 1. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is one of the best home remedies for skin tightening. It contains malic acid, which improves the skin elasticity. Also read, Easy and Quick DIY Organic Pedicure at Home, approved by Shanaz Hussain. You will need aloe vera gel or aloe vera leaf to extract the gel. Also read, Skincare Tips by Shanaz Hussain, ingredients from your kitchen shelf for spotless skin. Method. Extract aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it on your face and neck. Leave it on your skin for about 20 minutes and then rinse using lukewarm water. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. You can also mix aloe vera gel with honey and mayonnaise. Apply this mixture on your face and neck. After about 20 minutes, wash it off with cold water. Comment below and let us know, what do you think about our list? If this video was helpful, please like the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.